Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding Chainlink Link on Gemini and want to move it to your Ledger Nano X for better security in 2025, you're in the right place. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process quickly and safely, so you can take control of your crypto without any hassle. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need your Gemini account set up with your Chainlink tokens and your Ledger Nano X device fully configured with the Ledger Live app. If you haven't added Chainlink to your Ledger yet, open Ledger Live, go to the Manager tab, and install the Ethereum app since Chainlink is an ERC20 token. Once that's done, open the Ethereum app on your Ledger device. Next, get your wallet address. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer via USB, open Ledger Live, and navigate to the Accounts section. Select your Ethereum account and copy the receiving address. Double-check that it's for the correct account to avoid any mistakes. This address is what you'll use to receive your Chainlink tokens. Now, head over to your Gemini account. Log in securely, go to your wallet, and select Chainlink from your asset list. Choose the Withdraw option, and you'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. Paste the Ethereum address you copied from your Ledger, and make sure to select the Ethereum network for the transfer. Chainlink runs on Ethereum, so this is crucial to get right. Before confirming, check the withdrawal amount and any fees involved. Gemini might charge a small fee, and there could be network fees too, so enter an amount that covers everything. Once you're sure, hit confirm, and Gemini will process the withdrawal. You'll need to approve the transaction on your Ledger device by following the on-screen prompts. Finally, wait for the transfer to complete. This usually takes a few minutes, but it can vary based on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Ledger Live app to confirm that your Chainlink tokens have arrived. And that's it, you've successfully transferred your link to your Ledger Nano X. Remember, always double-check addresses and use hardware wallets like Ledger for top-notch security. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.